Moving to the further, we have Dr. Sushil Patel, and indeed pleasure that we are completing in this infrastructure 17 years, almost 17 years back, we inaugurated this infrastructure. And on that behalf, Dr. Sushil Patel is sharing something about Swasthya to all of our invited guests and the participants of the this June episode of monthly metabolic disease review meeting. Yes, Sushil bhai. Sushil bhai, you are mute.
Thank you, Yash. Before starting this about the journey of Swasthya, just I want to extend the comment of Dr. Prasanna Kumar. We are in the state of Gujarat. We are in continuous consultation with the state and Women's and Child Nutrition Monitoring Cell. And we would like to extend the comment which is given by Dr. Prasanna Kumar. And we would make sure that the technology aspect of the diet and nutrition will goes through the government cell of monitoring of nutrition in the women's and the adolescents and the children's so that we can better monitor their malnutrition. So sir, thank you very much for your expert comment. So as rightly said by Dr. Yash Patel that Swasthya Diabetes Care before 17 years is established, and the journey of Swasthya is a total 37 years. So we had started this journey before 7 years with the vision of Dr. Mayur Patel, and the first of its kind state-of-art technology has been established in the state of Gujarat in the Ahmedabad city. It is a 7-story building providing all the specialty services related to diabetes under one roof. And that is a second biggest center in the entire India when it has established in 2004. Our vision is to cure and the prevent diabetes, and we are working with the mission of excellence in the clinical care, education, research, and the community services. Indian Medical Association has given the best clinic award in the 2004-5 to the Swasthya. In the journey of Swasthya Diabetes Care, we had various recognitions by the International Diabetes Federation. We had recognized as a center of excellence in the diabetes care and the center of education for the diabetes. We had also get the recognition from the SWEET registry for the center of reference for the pediatric diabetes for 2018-19 and 1920. Dr. Yash Patel is the youngest selected member in the DFood International, that is international body for the diabetic food. Dr. Kush Patel is uh, leading as a young leaders in the diabetes in the Southeast Asia region by the IDF. We had recognized as the uh, Center of Excellence and the Diabetes Team of the Year as a finalist category in the BMJ India in the Southeast Asia region among the 7 countries. We are hooked with our Gujarat University for the research of the postgraduate and the undergraduate students in the BJ Medical College and the NHL Municipal Medical College. We've also done the collaboration with the Government Council of University of Toronto for the research and the other collaborations. We are approved by the US Department of Health and Human Services and the federal-wide assurance for the protection of human subjects. So we have fully fledged pathology laboratories, the fully fledged department of food and the food care, and total department of the ophthalmology care, the cardiology department. We are educating the patients and their relatives, masses in generals, medicos and paramedicos. Daily education program of 1 to 1.5 hours is going on at the Swasthya building for the patients and their we have various programs for the doctors like the certificate course, fellowships. Dr. Mayur Patel is a PhD guide. There is various updates, seminars, national, international meetings. We are running the Swasthicon uh, since 3 years. That is international meeting for the diabetes and metabolic disease. Diet counseling, the insulin pump, and the continuous glucose monitoring clinics are there. Dr. Mayur Patel has written several books in the local and the English language for the diabetes awareness. We are leading the healthunlock.com, that is a diabetes India community, and more than 50,000 followers are there. We are also in the community services, and for this we had received the awards of Certificate of Merit from the America Care. The biggest program of us is the Stop Diabetes program that is running since 2009. That is diabetes prevention program in the state of Gujarat. We are doing so many activities under this program, training the doctors, training the paramedical workers, school teachers, volunteers, and the lifestyle modification trainings, education programs, and the diabetic screening camps in the entire state of Gujarat and the neighboring states. Then we had another project that is a public-private partnership project with the government of Gujarat that is improving access to diabetes care for the poor through the innovative public-private partnership that is run in the urban slums, rural and the tribal areas of the states of Gujarat. We have a very beautiful project of type 1 diabetes that is called as Make My Life, that is Center for Excellence for Friends with Type 1 Diabetes. And our mission for this is that instead of hiding the disease, the children should feel the pride or the confident about the disease. We are the first in the world where we have started the marriage bureau. We are providing the marriage counseling. We are matching the pairs, and maybe the diabetic or the non-diabetic also. The wonderful initiative by Dr. Yash Patel is a project Shravan that is a Save a Lake. In the theme of the project is that the lakes of the parents or the grandparents are taken care by the children, and so that they can feel or they can visualize the lesion on the foot of the patient, and they can save that lake. So this is the most cost-effective lake prevention program, or the Save a Lake program, which is recognized by the Deep Root International. So burden of diabetes is fasting sugar post-pandemic HbA1c, more than 40 to 50% of the patients are not in control of the blood sugar level. Every 1% drop in the HbA1c is associated with decrease in the risk. And we are not alone. The way is cumbersome, but together we make it. And through your support, the entire doctor supports and the paramedical worker support, and the industry person supports, we had achieved this milestone of 17 years of the Swasthya Diabetes Care Team and the total 37 years of journey of the Swasthya and the Diabetes Prevention Program. So thank you again for very much, and we are looking forward for your blessings also, the future also for the continuous journey. And I am hopeful that we all will be together on the battling this pandemic of diabetes in the near future. Thank you again. Thank you very much. Thank you all of you. I just want to invite all of you just to turn on your cameras so that and we can show a thumbs up so that we can cherish this moment, and we can celebrate the Swasthya Foundation Day over here. So if you can all, so that we can have a screenshot by Dr. Yash, if you can share, if you can do a screenshot of this thing so that we can share that photographs also. You're muted.
Yes, requesting all of one to please turn on your camera and thumbs up so we can have the screenshot, and we can forward to all of you around. Thank you.
Thank you. I invite Dr. Mayur Patel for his brief comment about this Swasthya Foundation Day and his journey.
It is because of the hard work and commitment from the team and the friends and colleagues across the country and the globe. I thank you all on this occasion.
Thank you, sir. And now moving ahead with our program. So we are very privileged to have Dr. Prasanna Kumar again as an expert. He was an expert in the last meeting also, and we are thankful for him to is joining us today also. So Dr.